Assalam Alikum, I am Ayan back with another video. As you can see, this is an Arduino Uno R3 which has these analog ports, power supply and digital pins. So as you can see, we will insert male to male wires in these analogs and digital ports. So this is a basic main this is the main part of our circuit which we are going to make today, 10 LED series circuit. This is a microbit chip, you can see. Next up is this potentiometer. As you can see, it has this round thing which we can like spin so that it will resist the amount of electricity that is passing through the LEDs, so that they will close or open at the spinning of the potentiometer. Okay. Next up is the resistor. As you can see, this is a resistor which has the wooden thing in between, which is used to resist the amount of electricity that is going to pass through. We might be using this. So for this project you have to buy a 220 ohms resistor. Next up is the light emitting diode. As you can see, these are also known as LEDs. These emit light when they are in touch with electricity. Many of these in different colors, so you can buy them at an electronics store near your house. These are the male to male wires we are going to use in our. And finally, the second main component of our circuitry, the breadboard. So this is the perfect arrangement for what the components we are going to use. So let's begin. my project is finally completed, and as you can see, I have connected it to my laptop and processed the code through Arduino. Now if we will move this like this, spin it like this, you can see the bulbs light up one by one, and if I close it slowly, they will first dim a little and then close one by one. See, this is the 10 LEDs circuit project by Ayan tutorial. Allah Hafiz.